how to make a table or notes in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open notes and then here add a new notes, and here you can see a table icon. Click on table icon. Your table will be appear by default 2 by 2, and if you want to increase rows and column, then simply click on this three dot icon and again click on these three button dots, and here you can add column and again add column, and if you want to add rows, then click on this and again click and add row. And if you want to delete rows and columns, then simply click on these three dots and delete row, delete column. So this is the way to make a table in notes in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.